Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to sign up for Slothouse. Follow these simple steps to create your account and start playing. Open a web browser and type slothouse.cc in the address bar. Then press enter. When the home page loads, look at the sign up button at the top right corner and click on it. Fill in the required fields with the following information. Username. This will be your Slothouse username. Remember to use at least one capitalized letter. Now type your first and your last name. Make sure to use a valid email address. Choose a strong password for security. Ensure you meet the age requirement. And fill in your born day. Now type your US phone number. Type your residential address. Now click on the box to agree with the T and C's. Click on the big red sign up button and be ready. Check the code in your email. Remember to check the spam folder, and if still didn't get it, request support on the chat icon. Now you can log in. Enjoy our platform and don't forget to check our promotions and bonuses. Have a great experience!